Right, so today is day 2 of our Sherman trapping and mark and recapture, and we get to fill in some more numbers on the board. So here we are on day 2. Today, this morning, we're going to check the traps that we set last night. Last night we set the traps in exactly the same way as we did for day 1. And so this morning we will be able to determine the number of marked animals and the number of unmarked animals. So we can fill in these 2 blanks, and because we've got these 3 numbers, we can work out this one, we add these 2 together, and that gives us our total number of Neotoma for 10 middens. But remember, our goal is to figure out the total population density of Neotoma on the Red Mountain campus. We've only sampled at 10 middens, but there are about 48 middens on campus. So we need to do a little bit of math and extrapolate from the numbers we get for 10 to tell us the total population size for all of the middens on campus. Now we also want to calculate the Neotoma density. That's the number of animals per hectare. Now oddly enough, campus is about 48 hectares. So there's a little bit more math we've got to do to figure out the number of animals per hectare. All right, so that's our goal. So let's get out into the field and get our results. All right, so skunked on both of these, nothing in the trap. Yesterday, both of these traps had an animal in. So, all right, don't know what that says, but. All right, so 1 empty, 1 animal captured. But this one, hello little fella. So today, the only thing we need to do is look at the ear mark to see if it's an animal that we've previously captured and marked, and if it was the animal that we caught at this midden, because sometimes they bounce around and go from midden to midden, and that's kind of interesting to know. All right, so how should this one have been marked? It's obviously marked on the outside of the left ear, right? That's real clear.
Yep. And this one should be left ear outside.
Right, so this was an animal that we captured on, when was it? I know.
17th.
On the 17th at this midden. All right, so we're gonna, very cute, eh? I mean, they really are. Look, they've got this really nice white throat. They don't like being handled, of course. Got these great big eyes because they're primarily nocturnal. Yeah, but they really are very cute. So we're gonna release this guy.
Yep.
All right, so just 1 animal. There you go. So there are other ways to mark the animals. You can use fingernail polish, and then you've got, of course, lots of different color options. It's a bit more messy to do. That's it.
Yeah.
So what is it?
So both inside and outside on that left ear?
Yeah, so it's left ear inside and outside. Have a little check on its right ear, see if there's any marks at all.
Nope. That
Nope.
looks clean.
No, that's clean. All right, excellent. So we've got 2 captures here, I think. Let's have a little looky-loo. Yep, 1 Neotoma. Oh, it's not a Neotoma, it's a little pocket mouse. Have a look at that guy. Oh, and this one had the notch out of the ear as well, didn't it?
This one should have a short tail, I believe, as well.
Really?
So left ear looks clean. Right ear outside.
Right ear outside.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, he's got a torn ear and a short tail.
All right. We'll release. Up. Yeah, stubby little tail. Look at that. All right, awesome. The size of that little guy.
Oh my god, he's so little.
Got the pen. And these guys have. See if I can show you. It's hard to see, and I don't want to. There, see that big cheek pouch in there?
Aww.
And he's stashed all of that oatmeal in that cheek pouch. Can you see that?
He's so scary.
Another little cheek pouch on that side. That's why they're called pocket mice, and they don't have buckets, right? So when they go out into the desert and forage, they shove all of their seeds in that little cheek pouch. I'm not going to empty it because I guess that's his reward from getting caught. All right. All right, so now we can enter the numbers that we just collected into our mark and recapture formula. So the number of marked animals that we caught on day 2 this morning was, Joey, what was that number?
9.
Number 9. All right, awesome. And the number of unmarked animals that we caught on day 2 this morning was, what was it, Joey? Just 1. All right. So remember, the ratio of this to this is exactly the same as the ratio of this number to this number. These we've collected as our data. This we don't know, but we can estimate it from these numbers. Now I'm going to give you a little hint. You just do a cross multiplication if you don't know immediately how to answer this one. Our total number of animals for 10 middens is this number plus this number. All right, so I want you to go away and figure it out, and don't come back till you've got it. All right, so this is the solution. This is how to work it out. But you're going to need to do this yourself for practical exams, okay? So to cross multiply, we simply take 11 multiplied by 1. 11 multiplied by, 1 equals 11. That's easy to do, right? Then we need to take 11 and divide it by 9 to give us this number. Hey Google, what's 11 divided by 9?
The answer is approximately 1.222222.
All right, 1.222222. We're going to do just 2 2s. There we go, 1.22. Now we've got this number. Awesome. Okay, remember our total population size is this number plus this number, which gives us, what's 11 plus 1.2222222222? Could it be 12.2222222222? All right, so that's our answer. 12.2 neotomas in 10 middens. That's our estimated population size for 10 middens. All right, awesome.